Hi, I'm Leanne, teacher turned stay-home mom, and on this channel, I share where my world of parenting, education, and games collide. Today, we're going to be unboxing our Qiaohu magazine subscription box for 大班生 for April this year. 大班生 is about equivalent to the kindergarten 3. That is the year before they enter primary 1. If you want to see more videos on how you and your child can have fun while learning the early academic skills they need, consider subscribing. We started at about 3. And they always look forward to the magazines, they love the gifts and the toys, and love to watch Qiaohu on television. So the first thing we have here is a storybook reader for the King's New Clothes. You can see you're supposed to scan the QR code up here, so you can either watch the story on the YouTube or listen to it. I think this book is great to give kids more practice using their pinyin skills. It looks like there are also a few follow-on activities to continue learning and practicing their zhuying by matching the sounds they see to the pictures over here. I will let them watch the story on YouTube. The next thing we have here is the puzzle challenge book. My daughter loves doing these puzzles because my husband does it with her right before bed, and she associates that with time spent together. Isn't that sweet? There are all these sorts of activities for thinking skills, spatial skills, deductive reasoning, some problem solving, some English, which we don't need, but I guess it's there for most of the local Taiwanese kids. There's also the theme of money in this month's box. They're learning how to find equivalent values with different coin denominations. There's a page of stickers which they'll use in the challenge book and in the main magazine as well. And then there are these fun pop-out coins which they can count and play with. My daughters are going to get so excited about that. In this month's actual magazine, they're going to cover the secret life of seeds. They're looking at what seeds grow into which plants and how seeds develop and grow into plants. One of the things I like about the Qiaohu magazine is that it also emphasizes good character. This month, they're learning about being responsible for their own things and their tasks. There are a couple more stories which you also can scan the QR code and have it read to you. Alright, now this pack looks fun. Let's see what's inside. How cute is this? This is a storage box you can see for all their desk stationery. You can put your pens and color pencils and glue sticks and scissors. There are also some Qiaohu name stickers to label their belongings before they go into school. And there's a book on how to prepare for going to school. So anyway, I just wanted to do an unboxing so you could get an idea of what you would be getting in each box. So there you go. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Let me know in the comments if you're enjoying your Qiaohu subscription box and what your kids' favorite part of their magazine subscription is. You can also check out the show notes below if you want more information. And if you found this video helpful, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button. If you want to learn how to make language skills fun to learn, make sure to click or tap the screen or check out the other videos I've done on using games to teach children. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Peace.